Hello, everybody, and welcome back to our channel. If your YouTube search is not showing results and you are looking out for troubleshooting methods or any kind of solutions, this video will provide you with a step-by-step guide. So let's get started. We can start by clearing out the cache and data. So hold up the app for that and go to their info. And once you are headed over there, you can scroll down and go to the storage section and tap on it. And look out for the clear cache option and tap on it. And also clear data. For browsers, usually clear that should clear cookies and cache and fix the issue that may be happening. Apart from that, make sure both the application and the web browser are fully updated. Head over to Play Store for that, and then you can go to your search and look out for the YouTube app. And once you find the YouTube app, if any kind of update is available for the app, you may just go over and update the application to the latest version. If not that, you can uninstall the application and again reinstall it. That should also work out for you. Also, restart your device. You can hold the power button for that and guard for the restart option. A simple restart should also fix the glitches that may be happening. Also, you can head over to your settings of your Android device and go to the apps, find apps and tap on it. And look out for the three dot in the top right corner usually, and select the option for reset app preferences to re-enable the components for yourself, and that should also work out for you. And that's it. If a paid service issue or anything is persistent, you can contact YouTube support team for that. But usually these are some of the methods you can follow up to fix this issue. So we hope this video was helpful. Give it a like and share, subscribe for more tips and tutorials.